The chickens are in the chiminea. Hey girls! Come on girls!
The light kind of wakes them up.
Come on girls!
Okay, so Dustin shut the door because the light
Well,
was around it. She just didn't check to make sure the chickens were in.
Oh.
Be careful, baby. Don't let him scratch you.
Well, I can't, you can't see. The camera's on.
Harley kept looking like something was right.
Put the light in there. The chickens are sleeping in the chiminea. I'm gonna have to get them out. Here.
Okay.
Hi, sugars.
Here's sugars. We already got 2 out. All 4 of them were in there. We got home after dark and the door was shut, so we thought that they were there.
Come on, babies.
Careful, careful. Good. Let's go to bed.
It's okay. Sorry. We're so sorry.
Watch your head, baby. Oh, easy, easy.
It's okay, baby. It's okay. Mommy's right here. Mommy's right here.
Maybe it's the light.
Look, yeah, don't fuck with the light. Here. She's just asleep, so she doesn't get it. Okay, hold on. Now you're in bed. Okay.
No, they're in.
Don't shine it on.
No, I had to get it. Look cool in the camera. Now for Hillary. Come on, baby. That kind of wakes him up. Come on, Hillary. Come on, Mama.
Come on.
Quack, quack, quack. Oh. Come on. See if she'll come out, babe. With the light. The light makes him mad. There. Come on.
You're scaring me. Baby, can you get the light away? Because...
No, I think it helps him wake up.
Well, I don't want her to wake up. Because I want to get her out.
You want to get her out while sleeping?
Here she comes. Come on. Come on. It's okay.
Hillary. Let's go to bed.
Here we go.
Chicken number 4.
Did Dustin come out and tell you that?
No, Harley told me that.
How do you know Dustin?
Because the lock was on. It wasn't shut completely, but it was around the loop. Dustin, next time. Can you see good enough?
All right. Don't freak out, sugars. Okay, everybody's in bed now. See? They're like, we liked it in there.
It's probably pretty warm, but...
Okay, good night.
Good night.
Sorry. Pretend like this never happened.
Watch your head. Good Lord. Oh.